Right. Which is how I want to look inside. And they're mostly there. Mostly there. That's good. See, there are hardly any in there at all. That stops pinging me. And you see they build comb.
Already?
Well, that was yesterday actually. The other day I had somebody in there and they were in for 2 days. Now you see they start to go down. And this one here we could just empty those in as well. Right. Now the thing about this is, you see there's that thing there is a crucial, you see they built comb on the floor. And they built a big piece of comb
Oh
there.
gosh.
They do that, swarms. And build
Since
comb.
yesterday they brought that.
Well, no, this lot's only been in here since lunchtime.
The neighbours don't mind, do they?
I can see Caroline like this morning. Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't quite say I was going to do it this afternoon.
It's quite hard to get the blighters out of this box. They're very attractive to them. And you see there's some at the back as well, but they've extended that today. That bit of comb there. And you see it's all over the inside of the box. In fact, they're painted white because the blighters chew the cardboard. And stung me on the nose.
Oh.